Hello everyone, welcome. And this lesson is all about Python Programming 101, Master the Basic. The first one is printing to console. The code is print hello world. Next is the comment. Single line comment, use hashtag at the beginning of the line. Then multi-line comment, enclose your comments with triple quotes. Then here's the sample coding. Then the output. Next is variables and data type. Variables store data values and do not require explicit declaration. X equals 5, 1 equals hello. Data types. Numeric types, int, float, complex. Text type, string. Boolean type, bool. Sequence type, list, tuple, range. Mapping type, dict. Set type, set, process set. Next is operators and control flow statement. Here's the sample of operators. A equals 10, B equals 3. Then there's arithmetic, plus, minus, times, divide, and others. Next is this is the control flow statement. It has age equals 18, then if age 18, then print you are an adult. Then else print you are a minor. For loop and while loop. Here's the sample of for loop. For I in range 5, print I. Then when you run the python loop.py, you will see the start from 0 to 4. Next is while loop. Here's the sample code of while loop. Count equals 0, then while count 8, print count plus equals 1. Then when you run 0 to 7. Next is list. Here's the sample, fruits, apple, banana, cherry, then fruits that append, orange. Then print fruits. Then when you run python list.py, apple, banana, cherry, then orange. Next is dictionaries. You created a JSON, name, age, and is enrolled. Then print student name. Then python dictionary.py, and it will display the above. Next is tuples. We have a coordinates equals 10, 20, 80, 50, then print coordinates. Then when we run 10, 20, 80, 50. Next is sets. Unique underscore numbers 1, 2, 3, 2. Then print unique numbers. And if we run 1, 2, 3, it will remove the same numbers or value. Next is function. It is a reusable blocks of code that perform a specific task. Here's the sample. We have def, greet, name, return, hello, then name. Then message equals greet, Paul, print message. And if we run, the result is hello, Paul. Next is modules and package. Import modules. Import math, print math, square root 16. Then when we run, the value is 4.0. It's coming from the package. Next is from import. From math, import p, print p. Then when we run, there's a value of p. Next is exceptional handling. Handle errors gracefully using try, except, else, and finally block. Here's the sample. Try, result equals 10, 0, then except, 0 division 0, error, print cannot divide by 0. Else, print division, successful result, then result. Finally, operation complete. Then the output is cannot divide by 0, then operation complete. Next is object-oriented programming or OOP. We have classes and objects. We have class person, then function def init, self name, self age, then def greet, self print hi m, self name, then we use person equals person coming from the class, then Paul, then the age is 30, person that greet. Then if we run python oop.py, hi, I am Paul. File handling, write to a file. Here's an example with open the file name, the text, then W as file. File write hello world. Then output is hello world. Next is reading a file. With open file name .text, then the R as file, content file.read print content hello world. You now covered the basic Python programming, including syntax, data types, control flow function, modules, exception handling, OOP, and file handling. With these fundamentals, you're well on your way to build more complex and powerful Python applications.